Okay, first graders, time for some math. So what I need you to do is find these two pages. They say day 4 and day 4. This is the last part of our assessment. Make sure you send me a picture when you're done. Now, we have done problems, like a bunch of problems just like these. What I need you to do is to pay attention to the directions. Let's look at these right here. It says for each story problem below, that's 5, 6, or 5A, 5B, and 5C. They're all part of one question. So read the problem and look at the picture. If you can't read it, get a big brother, big sister, grandma, auntie, dad, uncle, grandpa, whoever's taking care of you at home to read it to you. Remind them they can't give you the answers though. Just tell them to read the stories to you. See, this is one of the stories. Then you're going to use numbers, pictures, or words to help solve the problem. You have to show your work. Now, some of you have very fast number brains. My number brain is not very fast. I have to write it out and want to write the answer on the line. You have to show your work. You have to at least write this plus this equals this, or this minus this equals this. You have to show me what's going on in your head. Show me how you got your answer. We've done this many times. This should not be a new thing, guys. Then, very last step, write your answer on the line. Biggest thing I want you to do is show your work, okay? So we have this one, we have this one, and you have this one. So let's look at this first problem. Let's look at A. I'll read these through with you now. So if you need to, you can have an adult stop the video now and have an adult read them to you, or you can sit with me, listen to me read the questions to you, and we can solve this. So first, let's look at the picture. So I see there's plum penguins up on the ice, and we don't know how many are in the water. So it says there were 12 penguins on the ice. Some of them jumped into the water. Now there are only 8 penguins on the ice. How many penguins jumped into the water? So we have to figure out how many penguins jumped into the water. I can see that right here because it says blank penguins jumped into the water. That's the answer we have to find. Think about what we need to do. Do we need to add? Do we need to subtract? Show your work. You can pause the video now if you want to stop and work, or if you want to listen to me read them and then go back. So yeah, you can pause the video now if you want to work on this problem and then start it back up so we can go to B. I'm going to go to B now. There were 13 penguins. 4 of them are swimming. Oh, what did you notice about that word 4? That's still the number 4. They just wrote it in letters and it's not numbers. Or a number. So, sorry, let me start over. There were 13 penguins. 4 of them are swimming, and the rest are hiding behind the hill. Okay, I see that hill, and I see that question mark. How many penguins are hiding behind the hill? Then you're going to complete the sentence down here with your answer. It says, there are blank penguins hiding behind the hill. You have to figure it out. Okay? Use what you know. Use numbers, pictures, and words. You can even add to this picture if you need to. We've done that before, haven't we? Do what works for you. Make sure you check your work though, okay? You can pause the video now if you would like to work on this one on your own. Or you can wait till I'm done explaining these and go back and watch them. Your choice. Okay, so if you want to pause this video and work on B, you can. If not, I'm moving to C. Last one. Okay. C. There are 9 penguins standing on the ice. 4 penguins are swimming in the water. How many more penguins are standing on the ice than swimming in the water? Okay. Think about it. Are we adding penguins? Are we subtracting penguins? Think about what this is asking. It says, how many more penguins are standing on the ice than swimming in the water? So down here, you're going to finish the sentence with your answer. After you showed some work up here, don't leave this blank, okay? There are blank more penguins standing on the ice than swimming in the water. So you're going to finish that sentence after you show your work. Don't forget that step, okay? Super duper trooper important. Okay. If you have questions, let me know. When you are done with both pages, send me a picture of this page and a picture of this page. All right, rock stars. Again, let me know if you have any questions. You can do this. We've been working on this stuff. If you've been watching the math videos and doing the math papers with me, you can handle this, okay? All right, I'll see you in a little bit. See ya.